Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a clickable checkbox in a fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a fillable PDF one. I will insert here clickable checkbox. Click on this form option. See, and here you will find this checkbox option. Click here and draw your checkbox size. Now set this properties option and properties dialog box. Create properties and this properties dialog box open. You can change border color and this fill color also you can change, and this check mark color you can change it also. I'll make it yellow and font size auto. General option you can change checkbox names, you can add tooltip, visual and read only so on. And this option yes below a checkbox style check mark, you can add circle, cross and diamond and so on. Now select cross option and click on this hand option and check this and say this. A check mark now create. In this way you can create multiple checkboxes or so on. And finally select this file option. Save or save as your fillable PDF. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.